Want to make your device easier to recognize when sharing files with LocalSend? In this video, I'll show you how to rename your device so it appears with the name you choose instead of the default one. First, open LocalSend and click Settings. Next, scroll down until you reach the Network section. This is where you'll find settings related to how your device appears and communicates with other devices on your local network. Look for the device name option, then click the button next to it. A window will open with a few different choices. You can generate a random alias if you don't want to use your computer's name, choose Use System Name to automatically use your Windows device name, or simply type in any custom name you prefer. Using a custom name can make it much easier to identify your device, especially if you regularly transfer files between multiple computers or phones. Once you've chosen or entered a name, save your changes. To apply the new device name, click Restart Server. LocalSend will quickly restart its background service, and your device will now appear with the updated name on other devices connected to the same network. Your LocalSend device name is now updated and ready to use for future file transfers. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy LocalSend tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.